Hello, I'm Sandy, it's our Gossip Girl. 2025 is about to bring all the drama we need after the festive season. I'm here eagerly waiting and pushing for 22 January. Where are you? Where are you? So Utano Tembu released a trailer of season 8 where we got to see wife number 5. So it's no longer just talks. We literally saw wife number 5, and apparently wife number 5 is 25 years old. She is young, and even on the trailer, Umayene was like, why are you dating older men? Why couldn't you go for your age mate? I'm like, yeah, ne. And then this time around on the trailer, we saw the first wife. um he's not fighting it anymore. She was like, yeah, I'm happy that wife number 5 is here. I'm like, yeah, this is a strong woman. And now let me drop a bomb. Umangwabe is going to leave. Like, we saw this was coming since from season 1. Umangwabe was preparing herself to leave this marriage because she was a focused housewife. She was focused on her kids. She didn't care for the husband. She was focused on getting her career. So even if she divorces and leaves Musam Seleku with his money, she's working. She can take care of her kids financially. She was building a house at a home. That tells you what this woman was prepared emotionally and financially to leave this marriage. And at some point, Musam Seleku was even complaining that, even at the bedroom, they no longer busy. So you can tell Mangwabe was ready and prepared to leave this marriage once wife number 5 comes, which is so unfair because Liana, he found other women there. They didn't leave. So I get. But that didn't stop Musam Seleku, guys. Wife number 5 is here. And she is young. She is 25 years old. Hey, go tlo ba busy, man, guys. Go tlo ba busy. Go tlo ba morskonte. Ha!